Also, a few months ago, I think it was in February, I had, told you that I was going crazy looking for something at Dollar General, and it didn't become available till April. So like last week of March, beginning of April. I forgot to tell you that I had found these things. I think this is so cute. This bag was $2, and it says Dollar General, and it's got, I think that is so cute. So I wanted to show it to you now. These have been at Dollar General, exclusive to Dollar General for quite a while now, for maybe a year, and I wasn't interested in getting them, but they're only $3. But then they released the rose one, and I love my roses, my rosy stuff, and these are $3. I love my rosy colored stuff. Ever since rose gold came into my life, I just love it. So I really wanted this, and I said, why not get, all three for $3 each. And then I found out that at Dollar Tree, they had these for $1, and I was like, why not, So I got these, and this is why I don't like getting into new makeups, because I become obsessed. I found out they had a nude one, and it even had like the sticker on it. And of course, those are the first ones to go. And so I went on eBay and found out that some guy was selling these for like $1 or something. I mean, really cheap, $1.50, and I don't know if the shipping was free or just like really cheap. So I just got it off of eBay. I got the nude one. It's got that sticky, and they were the same price. Like, I mean, it was just like, again, I don't remember if it was free shipping or not, but it was like I paid really practically nothing. So yeah, maybe it was like $1.50 in free shipping. And then as I was doing my investigations, I saw that they also sold other ones before they sold these. Flashy, Classic, and Sassy. So I was like, I always wanted to get the Maybelline blush tone shadow palette, but I just didn't feel like putting out the money. And so this is like, to me, is like almost like that. So I just wanted to show you that. But yeah, Dollar Tree had these for $1. Then Dollar General had these for $3, and I always forget to show you. So I just wanted to show you that now.